Okay, y'all, I understand that Teresa has been getting some questions on our website. So she's gonna ask those to me right now, and I'm gonna try my best to answer them. I have not heard these questions, y'all, so I don't know what it is, but shoot, Teresa.
Okay, so the first one is, whose kitchen are you in right now?
I am in my youngest son Bobby's kitchen, and we are living in Bobby and Claudia's guest house while we're under reconstruction on our house that we built 16 or 17 years ago when we first got married. It's under reconstruction, so I was fortunate enough to have a son that had an empty guest house but was furnished, and the best part, lived right next door to he and his family. So it's Bobby and Cloud's guest house kitchen.
Okay, another one that's personal. How many years have you and Michael been married?
Hey Lou, come on up, baby. Come on up here, little girl.
Tell them who that is.
Oh, I think everybody knows Lulu, don't you? She is the same dog. We keep our dog shaved pretty close, but for the winter, I wanted them to go untrimmed. And to me, Lulu is so cute in her natural, the way she's supposed to look.
How old is Lulu?
Well, that's an Eddie question.
I think she's going to be 9 coming up this year.
9. And
This
then we have Max
this
and
May,
Gus.
I think, is her.
Oh,
We gotta have our birthday cake.
nice.
Max and Gus are how old, Eddie?
Well, it would go
It's
9,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7.
7. So.
Oh.
But it doesn't seem like Max could be 7 years old, because he was almost a year old when we got him. I don't know. That's a good question, y'all. And we've got their birth certificate, so we can look back and tell y'all the honest to goodness truth.
So back to Michael.
Right, Eddie?
Yeah.
How long have you
How
been
long
with
we
Peepaw?
been married? Saturday was 17 years. Kari, my niece Kari, turned 40 on March the 6th, and Michael and I celebrated 17 years on March the 6th. So I can't forget our anniversary because of Kari's birthday.
Now, a couple of these questions are going to be ones that people are asking, like things you wear, where
Okay.
you've gotten some of this stuff. So
Okay.
these are really, truly questions that come in. I'm not a big person on selling, so I
Yeah.
know them.
Yeah.
So I want people to know that.
Okay, I'm not a pushy salesman either. It's there if you want it. If you don't want it,
So
That's all
this
right,
is kind of
too.
funny. What brand and color lipstick do you wear?
oh my gosh, I wear so many. But I have found that I need an 8-hour lipstick, because it will stay on for about 8 hours, and all I have to do is touch it up with a lip gloss.
Nice.
But I'm into corals. I love corals.
Okay, this is a funny question. Where can I get your Dirty Dancing shirt?
Where can you get my Dirty Dancing shirt? Let me tell you something. Amelia and Olivia went slap kadab nuts, and even Linton, who has showed no sign of messing with their dolls or anything like that. He is a boy through and through. He was fascinated with my shirt. So it's in the laundry right now, and I've got to wash it because I'm a big hit when I wear my Dirty Dancing t-shirt. But it came from Terry, a friend of ours that owns a bakery. And Teresa, I think you got all the information on how to get in touch with Terry, and she can send you to the place. But I think it was actually up in Pennsylvania.
No, it's the Mountain Lake Lodge in Virginia. That's
Why didn't
dirty.
we just ask Eddie? Eddie knows everything. What would we do without Eddie?
Exactly.
Okay, Eddie, tell us one more time.
The movie Dirty Dancing was actually filmed at the Mountain Lake Lodge in Virginia.
Mountain Lake Lodge
And
in
that's
Virginia.
where Terry was there for an event
Uh-huh.
that weekend for some reason. And
So they sell those t-shirts.
yeah.
Yes.
Mountain Lake Lodge in Virginia. That was actually,
Yes.
many people asked that
Yes.
question.
Well, you know what? I really do think I would like to order one more, just as a backup. So I'm glad y'all liked it, and thank you, Terry. My 2 grandgirls loved it.
Where can I get your starfish necklace?
My starfish necklace? Oh, y'all, that is from the Paula Deen line of my jewelry. And you can get it from JTV. And I was on 3 or 4 days in the week of January, 1 week of January, I think it was. And I may not be back on until summer, but you can still go to JTV and put in Paula Deen jewelry. And my little grandson Linton adores my starfish. I walk in, he says, star, star, star. And then what is it in Spanish?
Australia?
Australia, or something like that. And he'll say it in Spanish and in English. So I'm glad you like my starfish necklace. And this last, my last appearance on JTV, we came out with the starfish earrings. And I just wore those, I think it was Monday.
We'll have to wear them again. so
Monday
people
or
can see them.
Tuesday, yeah.
Those are from JTV too that you have on.
Yes, this is my cross necklace that I just love from my jewelry line. And my earrings. You can get it in white gold or yellow.
Why is the cross so important to you?
Because it reminds me, it helps remind me that I need to be faithful and have faith. Have faith that everything the Bible tells me we can count on. And that's come especially since my brother's death. My baby brother, Bubba. I miss him terribly bad.
I know you do. Okay, so a lot of people ask, how can you make some of your recipes more diabetic friendly?
You know, I will never write a diabetic cookbook. Never. I never will. Who's coming in?
Hey.
Oh, there's Bobby.
Oh, yeah.
Are you going to jujitsu? Are you going to jujitsu today?
No, I'm not. I decided I'm going to wait until I get my second shot.
Oh, okay. So you're just going to see Sam,
Go to the gym.
your brother Sam. Sam is,
Brother from another mother.
yeah, brother from another mother, Bobby said. Sam is Bobby's best friend, and Sam is also Linton's godfather.
Let's go back to
So I'm answering questions, Bobby, on our YouTube that people have asked.
What are they?
So now we're going to discuss, we were talking about diabetic recipes.
Oh yes, diabetic. I will never write a diabetic cookbook because I...
Okay, I'll write it for you.
Okay, Bobby said he'd write it for us. I am not a dietitian. I'm sure that goes without saying. I'm not a dietitian. But I do know that if you cut out carbs as much as you can, you not only will you lose weight, but your blood sugar will actually go down. So, I mean, we all know where the carbohydrates are. They're in potatoes, they're in bread, they're in rice, they're in pasta. All the things that are so sexy and enticing to us. Right, Bobby?
Oh, they're just delicious.
They are so delicious.
Okay, one last question.
Uh-huh.
Somebody wants to know, I can't believe they don't know this. Who is your favorite singer, and can you make their favorite dish?
Oh my gosh. I mean, I got a lot of... What is it, Lulu?
Mamie.
You see little man? You see your cousin, Pally Boy? That's Bobby and Cloud's four-legged baby boy.
My oldest son.
tally boy. Have a good time,
All
Bob.
right, Mom, I love you. I can't wait to find out the answer to your favorite singer and can you make their dish?
I love you too.
I know who it is.
Oh,
It's Elvis.
probably is.
So
When
who
I
is
was
it?
13, Elvis Presley. When I was 13, I was so in love with that boy. So in love with him. I just thought he was, well, I didn't think I knew. He was the prettiest man ever. And I loved all of his songs. So I remember my mama telling me, I was so nuts over Elvis, and she said, Paula, I know how you feel. When I was your age, I was crazy head over heels in love with Frank Sinatra. I said, Frank Sinatra? He's kind of got pock marks on his face, Mama, and he's...
He was old at the time to you.
Yes, he was old.
So can you make Elvis's
She
favorite?
said, oh no, he was so nice looking.
So can you make Elvis's favorite dish?
You know what? His favorite dish. Can I make Elvis's favorite dish? I bet I can make a lot of dishes that were his favorite. But I know that he loved peanut butter and banana sandwiches fried in butter. And yes, I can make it.
You're an expert on that one.
I like it myself.
So let everybody know if they'd like to hear more, just to send us some questions.
Oh yeah. Did y'all hear Teresa? If y'all have a question, just send it in to us. Let us know, and I will try my best to answer your question completely and honestly. So that's it for the question and answer today. I love y'all. Best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.